Salve rapaziada, beleza? Eu sou o Juninho XL, mano. E rapaziada, vim aqui pedir pra vocês seguir no meu Instagram, tá ligado? Tô chegando a quase 100 seguidores lá. E Instagram tá aqui na descrição. Tamo junto.
My heart is too cold, so I ride with a heater. She said that she was in love, I can't cuff it because she a born again eater. Some niggas who talk about guns say they bout it, but really them niggas get beat up. Dressing all black, I ain't fancy, don't care for occasion, pop out in the beater. While I'm in my two-seater, just made like 55K off my last song. They say that I'm popping, blew up in a month, I'm just hoping it lasts long. The numbers go up every day, I be watching, so I know I passed those. I know she's pretty, but I cannot have her, cause my brother had those. And it's sad that I be looking like Yachty one night, then leave out the part where I ghost her. She said that she won't take pictures, I said inside, I don't care if she post them. My friends in my DM, they tryna get at me, but I try my best not to boast them. She said those parties be lit, I